everybody, how are you guys all doing? I hope that you guys are all doing well. My name is TracEy and I am your Pampered Chef Independent Consultant here on TracEy's Kitchen and Garden. So welcome and thank you so much for being here today. Today I am super excited because I am going to be baking the best gluten-free chocolate chip cookies that you've ever tasted. They are so good. You can actually find this recipe on pamperedchef.biz, BIZ /TracEysKitchenGarden. And I will leave the link down below, so if you want to print that recipe out, you are more than welcome. I would love for you guys to try this recipe out and give it a good taste. So anyways, I don't want to waste any more of your guys' valuable time. Let's go ahead and let's get baking. So the ingredients that you're going to use for this recipe is 2½ cups of gluten-free multi-purpose flour blend, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of butter, which is equivalent to 2 sticks of butter softened, 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate morsels. So now let's go over the Pampered Chef product that I'll be using for today's recipe. I'll be using the stainless steel whisk, the mix-in scraper, the measure-all cup, 2 of the stainless steel mixing bowls, the measuring spoons, a small scoop, the large bar pan, flexible cutting mat, large serving spatula, and the cooling rack. So now let's go ahead and start preparing our recipe. Step 1, preheat oven to 350 degrees. In a small bowl, combine your flour blend, baking soda, and salt and mix well. Step 2, in large mixing bowl, beat butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar, and vanilla on medium-high speed of electric hand mixer until creamy, approximately 2 minutes. Step 3, add eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Gradually beat in flour mixture until blended. Stir in chocolate morsels. Step 4, using a rounded small scoop, approximately 1 tablespoon, drop dough 2 inches apart onto ungreased cookie sheet. Bake 9 to 11 minutes or until edges are light golden brown. Do not overbake. Step 5, cool on cookie sheet 2 to 3 minutes. Remove cookies to cooling rack and cool completely. Repeat with remaining dough. And here you guys go. These are the best gluten-free chocolate chip cookies you will ever have, homemade from scratch. Absolutely amazing, guys. You've got to try this recipe. You'll love it. And so there you go, a total of 36 gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. If you are new to Facebook or to my Instagram or to YouTube, then please do not forget to like, follow, and subscribe. So anyways, everybody, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will be baking with you guys very soon. Talk to you later. Bye. Gotta have one of these. Yum.